Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to automatically add page numbers in Canva step by step. So guys, welcome back to the channel and let's get into it. In this video, I'll be showing you where you can find your page number options and how to apply the page numbers across all your pages automatically, as well as how you can customize the positions, the font, the size, and the style for consistency across your designs. So let's get into it. Starting off first with finding the Canva page number, click on text here and then scroll from the top till you find where we have dynamic text. So once you select this dynamic text, page numbers will be automatically added to all your pages. As you can see, I have 4 blank pages here. So click on page numbers and boom, they have been added, as well as the font use, the size, and the text color. We can simply edit and change this and apply these changes across all of our designs or all of our page numbers. To do this, just go ahead and highlight the page number, click on it. Yours might not start at 50, mine is at 50 because of other reasons. So click on the font you want to use. Let's go with something simple. Let's go with Archival Black. And then where we have font size, you could reduce or increase. Let's take the font size to 64. And then the text color, we could make this magenta, that's purple. And as you can see, this is only applied to this page number. Now, if you want to change all of this, if you want to change all your page number simultaneously, as well as the position, so let's just hold this and drag to the left. As you can see, the page number is down on the left while the others are on the right. All you need to do is, let's close from the text color box, head back to page numbers, and then click on apply properties to all pages. So click on this option. But before then, you can also format it. If you don't want only numbers, if you want something like the page and the number, like page 1, page 2, that kind of thing. And if you want like the page 1 of 4, you can have it as well. But it's advisable to keep it on just the numbers only. Now go ahead and click on apply properties to all pages. And once it's done, if you scroll, you'll find the change has been applied to all the pages. All right, guys, so that's how you can simply make use of this tool by Canva. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.